Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Ankr coin. What surprise changes occur in the Ankr coin, and what will be the next move of Ankr coin? Let me show you guys. But if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos our channel, guys. At this time, guys, the current price of Ankr coin in the market is about 0.09171 USD dollar is the current price of Ankr coin. Other side, guys, if you talk about the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of Ankr coin, so the changes is completely going negative. Only last 1 week changes is positive 0.77%, and I believe, guys, that they continue this pump for a long time. Now, unfortunately, as you can see here, the latest situation of Ankr coin is negative, but that's not mean that now you decide to sell due to negative changes. No, that's a really big mistake of holders doing at this time. Personally, guys, you know what, I believe that every coin, a lot of coin, and now possibilities, also my prediction about Ankr coin is 90 to 100% positive, guys, that Ankr coin price will pump from tomorrow, guys. In the last week of October, you found Ankr coins in the positive mode. You can see, guys, if you look the latest situation, so already gradually, slowly they start pumping, guys. The changes will become soon negative 2.64% right now, but very soon you found these changes will become positive, guys. So share your opinion, your price prediction for Ankr coin in the comment box. And guys, you know what, don't decide to sell, just hold if you want to buy. So now the price is very cheap, I recommend buying. Thanks for watching, subscribe now.